So we start with definition. I already write down here, so it's easy for us to check and read. Of course, this is just a short definitions. Many different literatures, maybe they will write down more details than this one. But this is the very basic and simple definition that we can use to define a set. So say here, a set is an unordered collections of different elements. So let us take an examples. We can say examples of a set as a set of all positive integers. So if we set this, then we can list out who will be the member of this one, set of all positive integer. So I can say is 10, and then 2, and then 6, and then 7, and then 1, and then 120, and so on. Now you see, when we would like to list the elements inside the set, as mentioned here in the definitions, is an unordered element. So it doesn't mean that you have to write down an in order manner. For example, positive integer, meaning we have to start from 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6, and so on. So it doesn't need to be this way, because by definitions, a set is an unordered collections of a different element. So you can just simply list them all as long as they are including in the definitions of the set given, so it should be alright. Another examples, we can also say examples of a set as a set of all lowercase letters of the alphabet. So same here is set of all lowercase letter of alphabet. So if I ask you to list the elements inside this set, you can just mention like B, and then Z, and then G, and then H, and then A, and so on. As long as they are all inside, then it should be okay. It doesn't mean that you have to write down or start with A, B, C, D, E, and so on like that. So this is how we define a set. Is an unordered collections of different elements. I hope you can digest that first.